Welcome to AfriChick TV.
Kari versus Kuroiler. Which way to go? It depends with what you are interested in. The bird comes in many colors. Kari will come in black, multicolored, brown, and zebra-like, the same as a Kuroiler. And therefore, basically color would not tell you the difference. If you look at this bird, it looks almost like a cock, but it is a hen. This is a Kuroiler bird. And if you look at this one, it's a smaller in body. So this is a Kari bird. Kari originated from Kenya. This is Kari. She originated from Kenya. It's as a result of crossing more than 30 indigenous birds to come up with a Kari bird. And Kuroiler originated from India, keg farm. It is as a result of crossing broilers with multicolored birds. A Kari bird is more disease resistant than a Kuroiler. So then a Kari is meant for meat and eggs, but it will produce more eggs. And a Kuroiler is meant for meat. A Kari bird female will attain a weight of 1.5 to 1.8 kilograms at maturity, and a Kuroiler female will attain 1.8 to 2 kgs at maturity. A Kari cock at maturity would weigh between 1.8 kgs to 2.2 kgs, but a Kuroiler cock at maturity would weigh 2 kgs up to 2.5 kgs. Actually, the cock I'm having now on my left hand is weighing 2.7 kgs at the moment, and this one is weighing 1.9 kgs. A Kari gives you more eggs. It gives you between 15 to 20 eggs per month, and a Kuroiler would give you 12 to 15 eggs per month. So a Kari bird would sit on the eggs and hatch chicken, but a Kuroiler would not sit on the eggs, and if it does so, then the hatch will be so poor compared to a Kari. So a Kari bird is actually a lesser feeder. It feeds less feeds compared to a Kuroiler because it is smaller in weight and body, in that a Kuroiler is a heavy feeder compared to a Kari. A Kari matures between 4 months to 5 months, and a Kuroiler, on the other hand, matures between 5 months to 6 months. Kari has a decline in production when it attains the age of 1.5 years. That is a common characteristic shared with Kuroiler, whose decline in production is at 1.5 years, 1.5 years. So basically that is the difference between Kari and Kuroiler. So if you come into the industry and you know you are targeting to keep birds for festive season so that you can sell and get them for meat, then my opinion, you would go for Kuroiler. But if you want to keep the chicken to get eggs so that you can hatch and be a breeder, maybe, my opinion, you would go for Kari. So choose wisely and choose which one to go for. Asante.